is the life I lead in this city, hurrying to cut my teeth. I can take what I need to get by. It doesn't make it easy. The other piece of my heart moves slow, somewhere in the great unknown. When I return from the afterglow, will you get?
Hey guys, today we are going to be shooting a seafood recipe. But first off, we're going to go fishing at this ocean right here. And we're just going to spend the day here, try to catch a flounder or striped bass first. And then we're going to go home and make a seafood recipe. Let's just go fishing.
Wait, hold on, put me together, take me back where I belong. I want it all. I had a feeling, but the feeling is all gone. The feeling is all gone. The feeling is all gone. If I could take you back to my youth, show you what I wish I knew. My will is strong with a place to lean. In the moment I hung desperately. The other ring on my wrist is gold, pairing with the light it holds when I return from my skin and bone.
Alright guys, we're currently at Strolls right now, and let's go get some ice.
Wait, hold on, put me together, take me back where I belong.
Recording people is so weird. Get used to it, because you're cameraman.
Feeling, but the feeling is all gone. Wait, hold on, put me together.
Alright guys, we got our Strolls right here. Look at how nice this looks.
I had a feeling, but the feeling is all.
Alright, this is the passion fruit right here. Not bad. Really smooth. Better than Rita's. And overall, it's refreshing on a nice hot day. Alright guys, so I'm just gonna finish this up and then we're gonna start off the recipe momentarily. Alright guys, so first off with this easy to make seafood recipe, we are gonna start off by cooking our pasta. So you just wanna go ahead, get yourself a large pot of water, and we are gonna go ahead and boil this to a rolling boil. And you just want to basically make as much pasta as you want to eat. So since I have 3 pieces of king crab, 3 pieces of shrimp, and 2 pieces of scallop, I'm going to use around half a box of pasta. You can use any pasta you want. I'm using linguine right here. So we are going to go ahead, just put around half the box right in like so. All right, just make sure everything goes in the hot water. All right, now you want to just let this boil for around 10 minutes if you're doing linguine, and we are going to start and make our red sauce now in the meantime. So first off, we are going to turn on our stove on a medium-high setting, and we are going to use this truffle olive oil. But if you don't have this, you can go ahead and use regular olive oil, or you can just simply use some butter if you don't have it. So we're just gonna let this heat up for around a minute, pour in around 1 tablespoon of oil, and then saute our onions first. Go ahead, pour some oil right in, just a light coat. All right, now we're gonna go ahead and pour our onions right in. So I'm using around half a onion that has been diced. So go ahead, give it a stir, and just let this saute for around 45 seconds. All right guys, now it's been around 45 seconds, and we are gonna go ahead and add in our minced garlic. So since I love garlic, we are gonna add in around 7 cloves of minced garlic right in. Just wanna add it right in. Give it a stir, and now we are gonna add in a little bit of salt just to help bring out the moisture of the onions faster. All right, next off, we are gonna go ahead and open a can of diced tomatoes. So I'm just gonna go ahead, open it. Once that's open, you just want to plop it up like so. All right, guys, now we are going to go ahead and add in some tomato paste. We're going to do around 2 tablespoons. Add it right in. If you love tomatoes, you can go ahead and use 3. Just want to go ahead and stir in the tomato paste for around 30 seconds. And as you can see, there may be some bits stuck on the pot surface right here. And basically what we're gonna do is deglaze the pan and get that flavor. So right here, I got some white wine and we're gonna add in around half a cup. Just gonna let this decaramelize the surface, get everything unstuck. All right, once it's done reducing down, we are gonna go ahead and add in our diced tomatoes. Add in like so. Just wanna go ahead, cut the tomatoes up a little bit. All right, and now we are gonna go ahead and add in our seafood. All right, guys, so right here we got our seafood. Right here we got 3 pieces of shrimp right here. We got 3 pieces of shrimp right here. And then right here we got 3 pieces of king crab leg, 2 pieces of giant scallop. All right, so first off, we are just gonna add in our scallop and crab. Just because these take a little bit longer to cook, pop it right in. Next off, you just want to place in your crab legs like so. And when you add in more seafood, it will add more flavor onto your sauce. So if you want to get some mussels and clams, you could go ahead and do that. So you want to just let this cook for around 5 minutes. All right, guys, so it's been around 5 minutes. Our scallop is cooking and our crab leg is heating up. So we're just gonna go ahead, add in our shrimp. Add in like so. And right after this, we are gonna remove our seafood, mix in our pasta, and we're ready to eat. All right, guys, while that shrimp is cooking, we're gonna go ahead and squeeze in some lemon. So right here, I got around half a lemon, and we're just gonna squeeze all the juice out of it. Now just give it a quick stir and let this cook for around another 5 minutes. All right, guys, so it's been around 5 minutes and our seafood is looking pretty done. And I got my pot right here and we're just gonna go ahead and put our seafood right in there and then mix in our pasta. I'm just gonna go ahead and taste the sauce really quick. It is very rich in flavor, and we're just gonna go ahead and add in a little bit of salt. Mix it up a little bit. Now it is time to add in our pasta. All right, I got my pasta added in. All right, guys, so it's been around 3 minutes. The flavor has soaked in very nicely into the pasta. And as you can see, there's not too much liquid left. And that's what we want to aim for because we really want the pasta to soak up all of our sauce. So now we are gonna plate it up and do a taste test. All right, guys, now just gonna grab a little bit of pasta. I'm also saving some of this for my sister to eat later, so I'm not gonna eat too much. Just gonna do a little taste test. Perfect. All right, guys, here we go. Our seafood pasta with king crab leg. So we're gonna go ahead, add in some cheese, some parsley, and then let's taste test. All right, guys, so I'm just gonna go ahead, add in some cheese, just like so. Okay. And voila, our seafood pasta right here, guys. Isn't that amazing? Now let's taste test. All right, guys, and here we go. Our nice seafood pasta. Now let's taste test. The red sauce is nice and savory from our seafood that we added in, and the tartness from the tomato definitely complements this dish. We got a big juicy scallop right here, guys. I know, you're gonna break your jaw. Oh, look at this, guys. King crab leg at its finest. So sweet, savory, and amazing. And if you guys are wondering where I got that from, it's from Wegmans. So I'm gonna finish this up, and I'll see you guys at the next video. Goodbye.